Go.
This poem goes out to my ex, or whatever he was. It's called Cheap Ass. I hear the sound of your voice, Jeffrey Hood, saying, I ain't got no money. When you do, the top compartment to your Durango filled with crispy treasures. Now, you know you won't even help a sister out, even though she ain't got the funds for her feminine needs, so why am I always going down on you, Jeffrey? What about me? You always say I'll get you the next time. Yeah, right. Well, the next time comes, it's time for your ass to pay up. Again and again and again. Saying you'll pay for half, and you'll end up paying nothing. So, Jeffrey, why don't you just spend all the money you have to take us to that beach in Hawaii? Show me how the coconuts and the bananas are made. I want the sand to get into our eyes and into our hearts. I want you to sell all the Marlboro lights you have to take me to that tallest coconut tree. I want you to be my Aladdin, and I will be your Princess Jasmine. I want you to take me on a magic carpet ride. I want to feel things that I've never felt before. I want you to take me to a whole new world, baby. Instead, we sit in your living room, on the couch you hardly let me sit on, while we watch a DVD of Boys in the Hood for the 15th millionth time, starring Cuba Gooding Jr. along with Jerry Maguire. So why don't you show me the motherfucking money? Show me the money. While all that shit goes on, you start to claim that all that shit is his, Jeffrey, except in actuality that shit is mine because I pay for it with my own money. We then look into each other's eyes, and we take 3 sips of our Miller Genuine drafts, and we feel 2 minutes of nothing. Because you fall asleep, and then I'm laying there complaining to myself that I'm not sleepy, how I can't do this by myself, and it's not the same without you. And then you wonder why I won't let you play in my backyard. Oh yeah, I'm calling you out, Jeffrey. Yeah, you. Oh yeah. I just remember the time when it was with my ghetto hoe and your fat brat self asked you to buy you some cigarettes. Like John Jackson said, what have you done for me lately? And your response, you said it was corny. Child, I just speak the truth. Maybe, Jeffrey, if you start showing me receipts with your name on it, along with your logo, my eyes will start to change color, and I will start to see something that I've never seen before. Jeffrey, I know you're looking at me, and you're saying, what? Holla at your boy. Nah, bitch, holla at this. If your ass ain't got the money, then you ain't getting the best honey.